Hey, what? Raynator. Hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Mack'S Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Mack'S Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Mack'S Kitchen and Grill.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? Glad to see you family members are here today checking out this here new video. Today we're doing a hot turkey and salami sandwich. I'm telling you, you guys will love this recipe, so don't go nowhere. So right here I have me a nice crusty hoagie sub roll that I bought from my local grocery store, Food Lion. And I'm telling you, y'all, these are some of the best rolls that I've tasted. They make these in their bakery. And now what I got here is a hot skillet. Make sure that your skillet is hot, and I'm throwing in a tablespoon of butter along with some minced garlic. If you want to use fresh garlic with this recipe, you can definitely do so. I kind of find that the minced garlic in the jar would make things a lot easier, and it also tastes good as well. So I just want to cook these down. We'll basically not even cook them down, because what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take my roll, my hoagie bun, and I'm just gonna take it and put it right in that garlic and butter. Yes, we're gonna get flavor on these things. I just want to toast it up a little bit. So check me out. Now look at the bread, it's toasted kind of good, y'all. I like this here, and I'm telling you, the flavors in these buns, as far as the butter and that garlic, it'll definitely drive your taste buds crazy whenever you're gonna eat this here sandwich. So try this. So the next thing I wanna do is I got me some of this here sandwich spread, Duke's sandwich relish spread. This is some good stuff, y'all. And I'm putting this on both sides of my bread. All right, putting it on the top and the bottom. Now I'm going to go ahead and layer some of this here shredded lettuce on the top of, on the bottom of the hoagie roll. So put that on the bottom of the hoagie roll, and you'll see the process. I'm telling you, you'll see the process. Now I got me some sliced tomatoes, and I'm laying that right on top of the lettuce as well. Now I love this here stuff, some Louisiana Cajun seasoning. God knows I love this stuff. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on this here, because they do have that salt content that I love so much. Then I want to add in some of this here black pepper. Yes, I got to have pepper and some kind of salt content on my tomatoes, y'all. That's just how I roll. All right, so I got me some of this here turkey breast. This is deep fried turkey breast, and I just want to layer that right on top of my veggies. And this is a killer sandwich, y'all. I'm telling you, you can go to your local daily and find you any kind of turkey breast that you like, but this is deep fried turkey breast, and it goes well with this here sandwich, and I love it. Now what I have here is some salami. All right, I got me some salami, and I'm just gonna put that right on top of this here turkey. And I'm telling you, y'all, this sandwich to me is like one of the best sandwiches that I've ever made. And I made plenty of sandwiches, but definitely something quick, simple, and easy. This is the sandwich. So I'm using provolone cheese on mine, but if you want to use any kind of cheese, no matter what it is, like this here Mexican blend or whatever your favorite cheeses are, go ahead and do so. But I just want to put on some of this here provolone cheese, and that'll be it for me. All right. And it's super. Look, we're watching the football game, And I'm telling you, all you need to do is fix you one of these sandwiches and grab you a cold beer, and I guarantee you won't miss nothing. Now I got my broiler set on the oven to high heat, so I want to put this here sandwich in the broiler on high heat so I can melt that cheese. Now the cheese has melted. This is what we got, and I want you to look at that bun. Even with that sandwich spread, I know somebody's saying, hey, how can you put lettuce and tomatoes in the oven with that? Trust and believe me, there's a reason for this, y'all. So I'm putting that top on there. Ooh wee, look at that, right? Ooh wee. Ooh, somebody call the doctor, because you're gonna need one after you eat about 5 or 6 of these babies. They look good, y'all. I'm telling you. Man, I know you can't wait to bite into this here. Oh my God, I know it's good. So y'all need to try this here sandwich, I'm telling you, man, because it'll do something to your taste buds. I know everybody like going to a Subway or going to your favorite sandwich daily or whatever the case may be, but you can make your own fantastic hot turkey and salami sandwich right here at home. Well, how is that possible? I gave you the recipe. This is the recipe right here. Try it, y'all. Please try it. Thank you guys so much for checking out this here video. If you could visit me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And if you would like, you could also become a Mack'S family member by clicking on my photo and also hit that subscribe button. And also leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you would like to see in the future. I always say this, love and not hate, and I love you guys. Peace.